The first ever Lexus, TX, boldly original, distinctly Lexus. And proudly assembled in the US, every element of the TX was carefully considered to ensure this SUV carries a commanding presence. Its stance, athletic and powerful, purposely designed to evoke the signature driving performance crafted by the Lexus master drivers. Announcing every arrival is the front fascia, which wears the latest expression of the spindle grille and is adorned with dramatic LED lighting. Available 22-inch wheels bring added style to any journey. And in the rear, the signature LED Blade Taillamp ensures that the TX leaves a lasting impression. Performance F Sport. Performance introducing the TX 500h F Sport Performance ADD. Its powerful electrified powertrain combines a potent 2.4-liter turbocharged gasoline engine and high-torque electric motors to produce 366 net combined horsepower. Adding to the thrills is the intelligent Direct-4 all-wheel drive system, which can read your driving inputs and the road to expertly control the drive force at each individual wheel for exceptional driving feel and response. Technology. An intuitively connected driving experience. Experience an interior where technology isn't just second to none, it's second nature. Lexus Interface works like an extension of you, enabling you to personalize your multimedia experience and provides seamless hands-free access to next-generation features like available Mark Levinson Pure Play surround sound. Convenience is also enhanced with available technologies like a panoramic view monitor and digital rear view mirror. Safety. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 features a pre-collision system that is designed to help alert you to oncoming cross-traffic at an intersection, and technology that can intuitively slow the vehicle when it detects a pedestrian in its path. This comprehensive suite of standard active safety and convenience features helps bring added peace of mind to every drive. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Depending on the interior layout you choose, the TX can seat up to 7 across its 3 rows. An optional set of second-row captain's chairs lowers the total capacity to 6, but buyers intending to use the TX as a family SUV may find that trade-off worth it to provide sibling separation. Storage bins are plentiful, and Lexus has integrated plenty of charging ports inside the TX's cabin, too. The TX features plenty of standard luxury items, including a power-adjustable steering column, power-adjustable front seats with heat and ambient interior lighting. More luxurious features are available as options, including semi-aniline leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel.